came for t-shirts, will go with earrings.
Progressive overload is a concept which helps you to build your muscles.
The thing is, it seems like both my brother and I, we have run out of t-shirts. We are currently going to FPB to check out a few t-shirts.
We only came in for t-shirts, nothing else.
We came for t-shirts, will go with earrings.
No, that wasn't the part of the deal.
So every time that I come for shopping, I find that the extra small ones are the ones which get out of stock every time, and those are the ones which I need. Like extra small fits me the best. Stationaries are my all-time favorite, but the thing is, days have passed. I don't require these anymore. But these are very colorful and attractive.
You don't need stationaries while you are in college. Wow, that's great.
Not this much of pencils.
One
pencil will do it for 6 months.
Then you can say that you do not need pencils. You are saying you do not need stationaries.
The thing is, we did not find any decent looking t-shirt over here. The ones that we want to buy, I guess I'll be ordering them online. Also, I wanted to ask you, have you guys joined with us on Instagram yet? If you haven't, I will be putting down the link below, and please do join with us on Instagram. We have come back approximately 15 minutes back. I have changed into my workout attire for today. Actually, the thing is, the climate over here is very gloomy since the past few days, and it has been continuously raining without any stoppage. We are lucky today that after maybe 3-4 days the rain has stopped. It was raining since midnight and it was raining in the morning too, but since afternoon it has stopped, and I feel it won't rain in the next 4-5 hours, I guess. So we have quite amount of time to work out right under the sky, which we love.
So what we do daily is we write down the workout that we are doing, we write down the weight that we have used, we write down the number of sets that we are doing for that particular workout, because it is very important to understand the volume of work that you are doing for a particular set of muscles that you are targeting on a day. Because what you need to do is progressively overload. Progressive overload is a concept which helps you to build your muscles. So in case you want to do that, what you do is you write down the workout that you are doing. When you get comfortable, you try and increase that amount of work that you're doing. It might be by increasing the number of repetitions that you're doing per set. It might be the number of sets that you're doing. You can increase that as well. Overall, the amount of work that you're doing should be improving with time. This is very similar to what happens in your childhood as well, right? You are learning alphabets, and then you start learning how to write your words. Then slowly you start learning about how to write your sentences or forming sentences. Over the period of time, you start growing whatever knowledge you have, and that happens by progressively overloading your knowledge. Very similar to life. Your body is very similar to your life. As and when you grow, as and when you try to grow, you need to keep progressively overloading. And what is this?
This is flower. This is beauty. So workout is done with, and right now I am having my post-workout meal, which consists of one slice of bread, one slice of cheese, which I have already almost completed with, and also I have 20 grams of peanuts. And the thing is, I will be ending the vlog right here because I have my guitar classes after this and sir will be coming over. Thank you for watching. Take care. Tata.